Hi, this is a quick video to show you the point of measurement tool. We actually dive deeper into point of measurements in some of our other classes, but in the FDM 114 design class, we just really like to introduce you to so many tools just so you kind of get a taste of it and are a little bit familiar. So we want to make this short and sweet and pretty simple. But basically, point of measurements is a way that companies can communicate with factories specific measurements, and usually you lay the garment flat on a table and it can be really quick to measure certain points. So that's what we're going to do with our POM tool here. So what it looks like, I guess, gosh, what is that? To me it looks like a keyboard, but maybe it's a ruler. So again, this is a lot like the top stitch tool. There's like one that's an edit to change ones that are existing, and then one to just make a new one. So the most common point of measurement is length, which people measure here from the high point shoulder, because you can see your shoulder's at a slant, so the highest point of that slant, and then straight down, and that's really the length of your garment. So I'm going to click there once, get it started. Now I don't want to do an angle, so I should hold shift, and it's going to secure that I go straight down, and I'll go to the bottom hem, and you can see if I click once, it leaves a point, so I could like keep measuring, but I'm done, so I can double click. So there we go. So now CLO does not know what point that is, so you do have to go in and rename it. And in this one, I would just call it HPS, which is short for high point shoulder. So you guys need to do a minimum of 5. Another really common one is a cross neck. So again, clicking from the neck opening, and then I can hold shift straight to the other one. I'll do a double click. Okay, so this is going to be a cross, or now you can just say neck opening. Now I'll say a cross neck. Another common one is neck drop. So that's really the length from high point shoulder to the lowest part of where the neck is. So let's see here. I'm going to try to click right on that line, holding shift and double click. There we go. So that's going to be our neck drop. Another common one is a cross chest. Sometimes this is 1 inch below the armhole. Sometimes it's right at it. Today I'm just doing it right at it. So cross chest. And then we have usually waist is another common one. So I'm going to call that one a cross waist. And then the bottom opening is also a super common one. So just straight. You can see how the bottom opening curves, but usually when we measure it, we just measure a straight line. So double click that guy. I'll say bottom opening. You could do your sleeve length too if you wanted. And there are more complicated ways to do sleeve length. Some people like to do it from center back, but again, today, this is just an intro assignment. So here I already have more than 5 POMs, so I'm good to go. I just wanted you guys to practice that so you can see what it looks like when you send it to the tech pack.